So we're at one of our commercial properties beginning the landscape maintenance, and one of the first steps they do when they arrive is they get situated with their tools. If they have any special equipment they may need, they'll pull it out from the truck to get started. The manager, Jesus Rodriguez, will go in to check in with the client, which is he's currently doing right now, to find out if there's any special needs or wants that the client wants the maintenance crew to take care of for this particular service. And that will help to ensure that we're communicating with the client, that we're taking care of exactly everything they want at their home or commercial property, such as this. A typical maintenance for a commercial property looks, most importantly, is blowing all the surfaces free of leaves, making sure there's no branches here on the driveway of this retail space, because it's really important, because there's a lot of traffic going in and out at this specific commercial property, that there's nothing impeding the roadway. We service this particular property bi-weekly. We make sure that there are no weeds, we remove weeds, we spray weeds as needed. We trim, this climbing fig vine on this wall there. We prune trees and hedges up to 10 feet with regular maintenance. So he just communicated with the manager. He said everything here is well maintained, everything's kept looking very nice. So now he wants the crew to focus on a different area of the property, to focus there, maintain it, and do all the landscaping, trimming, pruning, and weeding at that specific location. If you're interested in commercial landscape maintenance, you can reach us at 805-453-9551. You can text us at that number or email us at info@sbevolutionlandscape.com, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.